Okay, go ahead.
Hello, my name is Paul Barrett. About 10 years ago, I started on-demand industrial supplies. I've been in the business about 30 years, and that kind of business is, in the industry, is known as an MRO distributor. Basically, what I do is supply components, parts, and supplies to fleets and farms and factories and facilities. That would include things like fasteners, particularly American-made grade 8 hex-head cap screws, things of that nature. Electrical supplies, fluid, oil, and gas components, brake fittings, brass fittings, stainless fittings, things of that nature. And then shop supplies, cutting tools, abrasives, a variety of components like that. One section of my warehouse includes chemistry items that would be lubricants and penetrants, thread lockers, adhesives, things of that nature. And then I deal a lot with mechanical components that would be products. To some people who are in the industry, they would appreciate roll pins, Woodruff keys, dowel pins, chain, links, other products like that. And then, of course, I supply the cabinets, the storage equipment for these kinds of components. The kind of people who typically buy from On Demand are those people who specialize in repairing equipment, be it in fleets or farms or factories and facilities. I'm a local company. I specialize in making individual contacts and working through a relationship basis with the people who, in some cases, have used me as a vendor for numbers of years. I like to tell people that I am simple in my approach, simple in my working with the customer. Simple meaning, if there's a decision that has to be made, there's not a big chain of management that has to be gone through to make a decision to change something. I'm capable of doing that along with the customer base if necessary to do it. The most important thing that I like to say about this presentation is that you are watching a website that is a Christian-centered website. I do support the integrity that's represented by this site. I try my best to adhere to its ethical commitment. I support the mission of the church, the Universal Church, as well as my local church, which is Abundant Life Church of God in Lakeland, Florida. And I do support it with my income and my time. So you may want to consider On Demand as a vendor for these kinds of products. If do call me. I'm Paul Barrett, On Demand Industrial Supplies, 863-602-7168. Thank you.